We have Solana versus the dollar. And it looks like we have hit our 130 target, which is good. Now, what do we expect from here? Well, probably more the same. Probably even one more test down there, something like this. And then resolution, probably looking at like November, December region, if I had to guess. You know, again, one of the better actors for the majority of summer here, but going to take its time after that. I'd really only get bearish on this one below 130. So let's go down to the 4-hour right here and see what it's looking like in the short term. And short term bearishness, actually. Hidden bearish divergence about to populate itself right here with any sort of a closure here or lower in the next hour and 32 minutes. That implied targets back down basically around that 130 low. Hey, this is weird again. If I go down to the 4-hour, we have not had that move down to 130. We've only seen it to 137. If I go to the daily, we see 2 moves to actually 130 about. I suspect that you're going to play at that move to 130 again, somewhere around there in 133. Try for a bounce yet again. Long term, I'd get very bullish on this one. And in fact, I am bullish on this one long term, but I would be looking for it to actually play out some long-term bullish moves back above about 175. Until then, you know, probably putting in a lot of sideways between now and like middle of November, if I had to guess. You know, all higher term time frames still long term good. It's just probably going to take its time here. Bi-weekly still good as well. So short term, probably one more test down to like 130 to 133 or so. I'd be looking for a bounce there. No reason to get bearish on this one, in my opinion, as long as you're above about 130 on a daily. Other than that, not too much to say about this. Maybe we could just check it out from one more angle just to see, you know, if we're missing anything. 12 hours back above, pointed north above 141. Okay, so 12 hours says bouncy bounce, daily down as long as below 160. Not look too out right there. 4-hour will turn back down below 140. So, you know, if you do see that 4-hour hidden bearish divergence get confirmed, I don't think it's going to like bring you on to like significantly new lows or anything like that. Just probably around 133 or so, and gives a nice bounce around there. Generally speaking, I like this one long term. It's just, you know, you're probably going to look at this one, putting a few more spikes down around there and scare the shit out of people. That's all I'll be looking at Solana though. And again, long term, very bullish as long as you're above about $1.30 or so on a daily.